How to enable 4G LTE network only on any Android. For that, you have to open the Play Store. On the top, you can see the search bar, tap on it, and you need to search 4G mode network and search for it. Here you'll be able to see the list of all the application. The application is the second one. You have to open it. So the application looks like this. You just have to install and download the 4G LTE only mode application on your device. I already have downloaded, so that's why let's tap on open button. Once you open, you'll just have to tap on open advanced hidden settings for LTE only mode at the top of the screen. Once you're on this phone info page, at the top you can see the select phone index. You need to tap on the arrow next to the phone and you have to select the SIM you want to activate the 4G network here. Once you have selected, you need to set preferred network type. You need to tap on it and select LTE only. After a while, you can successfully enable 4G LTE network only on any Android. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.